Welcome to Gene Planet. Thank you for choosing our product. It will help you discover your genes, improve your lifestyle, and live better. We will show you how to register your kit, take a DNA sample, send it to our lab, and get the results online. Inside your kit, you will find a saliva collector, instructions, absorbent paper, a biohazard bag, and an envelope. Please make sure that you don't eat, drink, smoke, brush your teeth, or chew gum 30 minutes before sample collection. First, and one of the most important steps, is to register your test. In your web browser, open app.geneplanet.com, where you can log in or create an account. Once you are logged in, click the Claim Kit button. Enter your barcode and security code found on the instructions leaflet in your kit. The next step is to collect the sample. Spit into the funnel until the amount of saliva reaches the mark. Bubbles don't count. If the saliva is sticky and hard to flow into the tube, shake the tube gently. Keep the tube upright and unscrew the funnel. Gently shake the funnel to make sure that the preservation solution has transferred into the collection tube completely. Remove the cap from the bottom of the collection tube and use it to close it. Invert the collector 5 times to thoroughly mix the saliva and the preservation solution. Discard the used funnel. Put the collection tube into the biohazard bag with the absorbent paper, and for the better protection, place it into the transparent plastic box. After obtaining the sample, follow the instructions for sending the sample. If you cannot return the sample on the same day, store it at room temperature, not in the refrigerator. It usually takes a few weeks to prepare your results. We will send you an email notification when they are ready. Discover, improve, live better.